pag nasa harap ng camera.
Okay, say hi na.
Hi everybody!
Dapat ganyan yung makukas na. Sige.
Wait, this is...
So, ano po yung tutugtugin natin ngayon?
Hi everyone! I don't know, we're just not doing anything right now. We just want to sing. So, this is
Coco likes to sing.
for you guys. Do you want to go on live?
Ganun, ganun.
Okay, sabi ko na, ay, nabalo na si TL, alam niya. Okay, what song can you play?
Ano gusto?
Ay, wow! Yung alam mo.
Search ka na chords. Ano ba yung alam mo na? Try natin.
Hindi, ikaw. Yung kaya mo na, para huwag na tayong ano.
Yung Bizarre Love Triangle. Kukunin mo yung ano.
Okay, got it. Dapat yung may puso?
No.
Every time I think of you, I feel a shadow right through with what I looked up. It's not a problem of mine, but it's a problem I find. Living a life that I can't live behind. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of the fool sets you free, but that's the way that it goes, and it's what nobody knows. Every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment you say the words that I can't say. I've been fine and I feel good. I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Be ourselves like we were yesterday. I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you seem. I do admit to myself that if I hurt someone else, then I'll never see what meant to be. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray, waiting for that final moment you say the words that I can say. Thank you.
Ano, yung ano.
I think we should really go on live right now.
Sure.
Have you been on live before?
Mm.
On my phone? I was yeah.
Yung ano, yung parang kini Edgar.
What song again?